Now we're going to change the point features color. So for now, you will add or drag the point data here. This is data survey. It comes from GeoPackage, a QGIS geodatabase format, but ArcMAP only can read it but cannot edit it. Look, and we start editing, so it errors. So for this exercise, we don't need to editing anything. We just want to change the color. So there are two ways to do this. First, with layer properties dialog, and there are two ways to access this layer properties dialog. First, we can do right click here and click properties, and second is we double click the layer to pop up the layer properties dialog here, and we click Symbology tab, click single symbol, and we click here. Maybe we can add the size, maybe 6, and we change the color like maybe red. Okay, and we click apply first to see like print preview. So when we click apply, it doesn't close the layer properties dialog. It only shows the color change. Okay, this is red. Oh, if we want to change the color of the outline, we can click here, edit symbol, and here outline, and maybe we try to click the yellow like this, or this is the preview, or maybe green, the light green, or blue. Okay, we can increase the outline size like this. See, this is the preview. Okay, okay, and we click apply, and there. Okay, the second one is we can directly click on this symbol, this point feature symbol, just one click, not double click, one click, and there we can change the color. Maybe the inside is yellow and the outside is red, something like that, and we decrease, okay, decrease the outline size, and we click OK, and there is no apply button here, so we need to click OK, and the dialog is closed. There. Okay, I think that's for changing the color of point feature in ArcMAP. Thank you.